Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're diving into the incredible world of ancient engineering marvels. Structures so mind-blowing they make you wonder how people built them without modern tech. From pyramids that pierce the sky to aqueducts that carried water for miles, these creations are proof of human ingenuity. Stick around as we explore three iconic examples: the Pyramids of Giza, Roman aqueducts, and the Great Wall of China. Welcome to Phanerology. Okay, let's get started. First up, let's travel to Egypt around 2600 BCE to the Pyramids of Giza. These massive tombs built for pharaohs like Khufu are some of the most iconic structures in history. The Great Pyramid, the largest, originally stood 146 meters tall. That's like a 40-story building. It's made of about 2.3 million limestone blocks, each weighing around 2.5 tons on average. That's heavier than a car. How did they do it? Well, the Egyptians didn't have cranes or trucks. Historians believe they used ramps, likely straight or zigzagging, to haul stones up the pyramid. Evidence from nearby quarries shows they cut stones with copper tools and transported them on sledges, possibly lubricated with wet clay to reduce friction. A 2018 discovery of a ramp system with post holes supports this theory, showing they had clever ways to maneuver heavy loads. The precision is insane. Some blocks are cut so perfectly that you can't even slide a piece of paper between them. And get this, the Great Pyramid was aligned to true north with an accuracy of less than 0.05 degrees. That's better than some modern buildings. It took about 20 years and thousands of workers. Not slaves, as was once thought, but skilled laborers fed and housed by the state. The Pyramids of Giza aren't just tombs. They're a testament to Egypt's organizational and engineering genius. From the deserts of Egypt, let's head to ancient Rome, where engineers mastered something we take for granted today: clean water. Roman aqueducts, built between 312 BCE and 226 CE, were the backbone of Rome's urban life. These systems carried fresh water from springs and rivers to cities, sometimes over 50 miles away. The Romans built over 400 aqueducts across their empire, and some, like the Pont du Gard in France, are still standing today. Romans designed aqueducts with a slight downward slope, about 1 in 2,000, to keep water flowing steadily without pumps. They used precise surveying tools, like the chorobates, a kind of ancient level, to measure the terrain. Aqueducts were built with stone, brick, and a special waterproof concrete called pozzolana, which is so durable that some sections still hold water today. Building them was no easy feat. Workers dug tunnels through mountains, constructed bridges over valleys, and even used siphons to move water uphill temporarily. The Aqua Appia, Rome's first aqueduct, stretched 16 kilometers, mostly underground, to protect it from enemies. By the 1st century CE, Rome's aqueducts supplied over 1 million cubic meters of water daily, enough for baths, fountains, and even flushing sewers. That's a level of infrastructure most modern cities would envy. Now let's journey to ancient China, where one of the longest structures ever built still snakes across the landscape. The Great Wall of China started around 221 BCE under Emperor Qin Shi Huang, is a marvel of defensive engineering. Stretching over 21,000 kilometers, that's half the Earth's circumference, it was built to protect against invasions from nomadic tribes like the Mongols. While parts were constructed earlier, the Qin and later dynasties, especially the Ming, unified and expanded it. The wall wasn't just one big barrier. It included watchtowers, fortresses, and garrisons, all built using local materials. In mountainous areas, workers used stone. In plains, they compacted earth with a technique called rammed earth, layering dirt and tamping it down to create rock-hard walls. The Ming dynasty added brick and stone facings, making sections as tall as 14 meters. Soldiers stationed along the wall used smoke signals to communicate threats. From the precision of Egypt's pyramids to Rome's water-carrying aqueducts and China's massive Great Wall, These ancient engineering marvels show what humans can achieve with ingenuity and determination. What's your favorite ancient marvel? Drop it in the comments below and let us know what other topics you want us to cover. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more dives into history's greatest achievements. See you next time.